How to remove acne with baking soda. Baking soda can help balance your skin's pH level and absorb excess oil. It can dry out pimples, causing them to shrink and eventually disappear. Mixing up a baking soda paste is simple. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with a few drops of water. Stir this mixture until it forms a paste. Apply this paste to areas of your skin affected by acne. Let the mixture sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Apply a moisturizer to your face, since baking soda can dry out your skin. Before using this treatment, apply a small amount to your jawline or another area on your face. Wait a few minutes and see if you have an adverse reaction. If so, don't continue using it. You may check out Acne cream from description to remove acne quickly. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Please subscribe my channel.